Hello, this is Gary with What's Up Outdoors. Hopefully everybody's having a blessed day today. So, many of you buy these cheap $9.97 turkey decoys at Walmart. And of course they come in, you know, folded up like this. Of course they have the stake down in the middle. But they come in folded, and of course you unfold them and stuff, and their body shape just is terrible sometimes, you know. I've even had mine worse than this. Mine, that actually opened out. But you know what? It's still, you know, it seems like it needs a little bit more to be puffed out. So, kind of got a little tip for you. So what you want to do is you'll want to get 2 balloons per decoy whenever you buy these $9.97 decoys at Walmart. Buy you a pack of 98-cent balloons at Walmart. And because if you blow these up and then try to get them in that hole, even though that hole's pretty big, it's still, for the size of the balloon, it's still hard to get it in there. So what you want to do is you want to stick that balloon in there first and blow it up. Okay? You want to make sure that, of course, you have to have one in the front and one in the back, okay? Because your stake's going to go right through to here. You want to have one balloon in the front, one balloon in the back for the shape purposes. So your stake, of course, will go through right in the middle of the balloons. And we'll show you how that is here in just a second. We'll show you the balloons. So once you get both balloons blowed up, it should look like this here. And you should be able to stick your stake right down in to the opening there. And of course it's puffed the turkey out a little bit more. Looks a little bit more lifelike. And another thing I like about these is those glass eyes. You know, it makes it look, even those cheap $9.97 decoys at Walmart, you know, look pretty good. But like I say, you know, you put those balloons in there, the shape of the turkey decoy looks a whole lot better. This has been Gary from What's Up Outdoors. Hey, may God bless you. Have a great day. And have a great 2021 spring turkey season.